McPherson from the agency and welcome to 13 Explorer Drive in Yeppoon. Let's go take a look. The expansive floor plan includes 2 living spaces, galley-style kitchen, 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and such a functional floor plan. This generous family home really does tick all the boxes. Situated in a no-through road location and backing onto the rail trail, the position is absolutely fabulous. All situated on an 810 metres square, fully fenced allotment with double side access and room for the shed. So guys, there you have it for 13 Explorer Drive in Yeppoon. If you'd like to own your piece of paradise here on the Capricorn coast, please do not hesitate to contact me, Anna McPherson. I'd love to talk to you.